Hello guys, today our topic is the center of mass. The center of mass is defined in physics as the center of gravity in any object. It's a point where the stability of this object exists. Center of mass. Let's see how can we find the center of mass of any object. If we have a regular object or a regular shape like a square or a triangle or a circle, so the center of mass will be the intersection of diagonals. The triangle, center of mass will be here, and the circle, center of mass will be here. This is the center of mass for a regular shape. What if you have a not regular shape like that? So there is an idea to get the center of mass. You bring a string, and the string you put it here, and at the end of the string you put an iron, piece of iron, and then you take another point of this object, for example this one, and then you put another string, and then you leave it like that. So the intersection between the two lines, would be the center of mass. This is the idea, how to get the center of mass of irregular shape. Okay, you need to know something else. Any object is considered stable if it's wide and lower to the ground. So if you have two objects, this object and this object, this one is more stable because it's wider, and the center of mass of this one is more stable because it's shorter. So the wider the object and the shorter, more stable. This is the two things that we can know if this object is stable or not. Okay. There's something very important about the center of mass. The center of mass should be over the base of the object. Is A. If you have an object like that, this is the base of the object. So the center of mass should be over the base of this object. Here, here, here. If the center of mass is not on the base or over the base of the object, here for example, this object will fall over, okay? It will topple, okay? So let's take an example. Here, this is the object, and here the center of mass. I move this object to the right. Okay, like that. The center of mass is still here over the base, so it's still stable and it will go back to this position. Stable. This position, still it will go back to the original position by a force of moment. But once the object came to a position where the center of mass is not over the base, so this object will topple. So we can say that the center of mass should be over the base of the object to stay stable or to return back to its stability. And once the center of mass came to a place or a position where it's out of the base of the object will topple. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon in another video with Mr. Haitham.